Hey guys, this is an unboxing of a accessory for my iPad. And what is it? It's a rubber. Let's make sure nothing else. Oops! I dropped the scissors. Double layered. It is a rubber case from my Apple iPad. Silicone black rubber. As you can see, it has all the ports, little cardboard. It has holes for all the ports. And especially for the dock and speakers. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This would be good for like holidays or when you need to transport your iPad to class or wherever you need to do. It's better to have some protection, and I think this would work out pretty good. So in future videos, if you see this on my iPad, you'll know, because this is a live unboxing. Again, please rate, comment, and subscribe 5 stars. Rate 5 stars and subscribe. And hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Peace.